guys? Welcome back to the channel, Burt Wheelies. And today, I think I got balance point a lot better. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoy the clips and enjoy.
Snacks and cups of Patron, parties on buses with us. Me and my bros on a mission to leave with your riches, your bitches, and even they clothes. Yeah, I don't know, probably give it to a charity or something. Every girl nowadays wanna marry me or something. Hate that shit, all I needed was a pic, but your ass always sending me a narrative or something. Say the pic of tits, bitch, I ain't even knowing it. Boyfriends hate me, and I ain't even noticing. Never tie a girl down, I ain't never roving them. Hella blunts everywhere, I'm second hand smoking them. Really real, it's me and Gerald. Tell all the lame niggas how they girls. Going dumb till I'm numb. Couldn't even tell your ass out his veils. Trying to write a rap when you're drunk is a skill though. Bottles and bars and they both being killed though. Trying to talk to these bitches is hard cause I sound like Boom Hour from King of the Hill though. Girls do wanna come, wanna stay. Sex and Super Smash Bros, hoes wanna play. It's really fucking hard and I wasn't trying to party, but fuck it, okay. Turn up.
I don't know why I get so high. Wake up tomorrow and my whole day's gone by. Doing what the fuck I feel like. Will someone tell me is this real life?
Last night was a movie, I swear last night was a movie. I swear last night was a movie. I swear last night was a movie.
Okay, last night was cinematic. I'm a women addict, it's been established. She pulled my shirt, then ripped the fabric. Woke up shirtless, just in a jacket. Roll a spliff of cabbage, I'm living lavish. You're living average, this isn't Newman. I've been a savage, rolled every swisher that's in the package. Yeah, I'm just young and blessed. Past that trash, I'm unimpressed. These hoes get kicked out, that's sudden death. I'm on one, probably could've hung with Hunter S. Now I'm gonzo, crossfaded. Took another shot, should've waited. When tomorrow comes, I'ma hit it. Up until then, I'ma make it. Yup. My mind is so gone. Rolling up more, trying to get in my zone. Fuck going out, man, I'm all good at home. About to call it no girl who I know I could bone,
I don't know why I get so high. Wake up tomorrow and my whole day's gone by. Doing what the fuck I feel like. Will someone tell me is this real life?
Last night was a movie. I swear last night was a movie. I swear last night was a movie. I swear last night was a movie.
So faded, so high. So faded, so high. If I do some more, I'll pass out on the floor like I'm waving goodbye. So faded, so high. So faded, so high. Every night on tour, we all get dressed galore, man, I stay in the sky.
I don't know why